Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make survey practices to be easier and educative. So in this video I want to quickly show us on how to project our survey plan from local system or from one projection system to another. So in this case the job was done on the Minna the Minna reference system. Okay, so I want to project from Minna to WGS84. So this video will be so useful to everyone out there who are geomaticians on how to chart their job on Google Earth Pro. So what I'm going to do first, okay, on ArcGIS. So in this case I want to use the ArcGIS software to project. So I'm going to set up my layer properties to the particular reference system that the job was done on. So this job, the AutoCAD format I want to import now, was done on the Minna mid belt. So it's just here, and I'm going to navigate to where it is. Okay, Nigeria mid belt. Then I'm going to click on apply and OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the particular DWG file of the AutoCAD. Please, I will be dropping the video on how to import the DWG AutoCAD format on ArcGIS, because if you are using some higher versions of AutoCAD, it may not show on your ArcGIS software. So I will drop the link on how to save the AutoCAD job on that particular format that is readable by ArcGIS. Okay, so I'm just going to add my AutoCAD and click OK. So this is the job done. Okay, the job was done, okay, on Nigeria mid-belt Minna. Okay, so I want to project to WGS84. So I'm just going to go to my R2 box here, go to data management, okay, then navigate down to projection. Alright, so if you want to project a raster image, this is where you are going to go, but that will be in our subsequent videos. Okay, so here I'm just going to go to project. Then in the feature class I'm going to add the polyline, okay, the polyline DWG. Okay, then here I'm going to put the input coordinate system that the job was done on, which is on Nigeria mid-belt Minna. So I'm just going to go national grids, Africa, then scroll down to Nigeria Minna. Alright, when I'm done I'm going to rename the particular job, okay, the folder. So let me call this PGR project PRG. Alright, then I'm going to click on save. So the output coordinate system is where I want to project to. So I want to project to WGS84. Okay, WGS84 UTM zone 32. Alright, do we get that? So you must have understanding of the coordinate system you want to project to. So I'm going to go to projected, I'm going to scroll down to UTM, and I'm going to scroll down to WGS84. Then I'm going to scroll down to Northern Hemisphere, then go to UTM zone 32. WGS84 UTM zone 32. So this is the particular readable format that Google Earth Pro uses. Do we understand? Then I'm going to click on OK. So when I'm done, it's going to appear here, and the input coordinate system is here, the output is here. These are the most important thing. Okay, then I'm going to click on OK. So it will start projecting. Please, if you've watched this video to this extent, kindly hit on the subscribe button, as well as turn on your notification bell to support and encourage us. Thank you. So as you can see, it is projected. Alright, so what I'm just going to do is to navigate to the folder where I have it. Okay, then I'm just going to add that particular file into my AutoCAD. So I'm going to add it into my ArcGIS rather. Okay, I'm going to add it, and this is it here. I have navigated to the folder, and this is the shapefile PRG. So I'm going to click on add. then close. So I'm just going to zoom to the layer. You will see that it has shifted the layer. This is a particular color here, which is like a green. Okay, I'm going to turn off these particular layers. So as you can see, there's nothing on this layer. So when I zoom to this layer, you are going to see the projected survey plan. And as you can see, this is the projected survey plan. It is actually different from the location of the unprojected, which is the polyline here. If I zoom to the layer there, you see that it is red. So they are on different system totally. So in our next video, I'm going to show you on how to convert this projected survey plan, okay, to KML formats, okay, by using the conversion tool. So thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.